Ready for a kitchen makeover without breaking a sweat? Meet the Moen 900-06, the faucet of the future. This sleek gadget isn't just a pretty face. Imagine walking into your modern kitchen and giving your faucet a wave. Yes, it's like living in sci-fi, minus the alien invasions. You know those moments when your hands are covered in flour, or let's face it, the remnants of a toddler's mealtime adventure? Moen's handy touchless tech means your faucet stays clean, while your pasta sauce-covered hands navigate your culinary chaos with style. And here's a secret, folks. Smart Shutoff. Ever leave the tap running and regret it later? This beauty shuts off in 30 seconds. Save water, save the planet, or at least save yourself from a flooded kitchen. Got a dishwasher? Fear not. The CCC Stop feature lets you pause the water flow without trashing your garbage disposal. It's as if Moen read your mind, or your Christmas wish list. Redefine the heart of your home with Moen's stylish and water-smart design. Curious? Don't just take my word for it. Check out the link in the description and let this faucet revolutionize your kitchen vibes.